Where you going? Where you going?
What are you doing?
I gotta go to Best Buy. I'll be right back. What up, y'all? Tight Shirt Terry Warfield. Hey, we about to go on a little family vacay, and I had to send back the ZV-E10 to Sony, and I'm not really trying to be lugging around my A7S III with my gangster mode and all that. So, Best Buy has a open box, excellent condition ZV-1 for $581, and I'm about to go grab it. I'll be back. Y'all act like y'all don't fart.
But that stinks super bad.
Hey, we about to take a little trip for a couple days.
Yeah. You stink.
The hustle culture is really all right. The whole gang is here. Y'all might as well say hi. Say hi.
Hi.
Oh, look at that birthday girl tomorrow.
Yeah.
Say what up.
You stink.
My guy over here. What up? What? You sleep? Hey, Kaija.
Hey,
Oh, Macho. Gotta say hi to Macho. What's up, big dog? What's up, big dog? What's up, man? Yeah, man. We about to get out of here. We ain't did nothing to nothing. Stop, dude. Come look at this, man. Come, dude, you get dog hair all over me. Get off me. We ain't did nothing in a while, so
it's August.
we about to go to Cedar Point and some other stuff.
Yeah.
Sometimes you need to take a break. Hey, I want y'all to look at wifey trying to be a hot girl right now. Come here. Let me show. Look at this mom. Look at her. Come here. No, don't try to run. Come here.
What?
Say hi. Look at this. You trying to get some honeys at the water park?
Shut up.
That's what you trying to do? You trying to get some honeys? We'll see you in a day or two. 2 or 3 days. My bad, homie. Love you. But first, we need coffee. Thank you.
All right, boo.
Thank you. All right, we made it. Cedar Point. Everybody got to pee real bad. Say hi.
Hi.
Say I got to pee. I got to pee. All right, it's like close to 8 o'clock.
What is that?
I'm tired. About 86, 87 degrees outside. I'm ready to go to sleep. But anyways, day one. Germany's birthday tomorrow. Say hi.
I can't see good.
Zoe, say hi.
Let me see my face, Daddy. I can't see it. Daddy, I can't see it.
All right, what up, y'all? We just woke up. It is like 90 degrees outside, and I'm tired already. Hold on, Talia. I really still love this camera. I just dropped a review on this like a year later. I've picked it up like 2 or 3 times, but listen, that link is up there. But anyways, guess whose birthday it is today? Say hi.
Hi.
What's your name?
Germany.
And how old are you?
8.
8 years old? Are you serious? A whole 8 years old? Oh, that's crazy. Say hi, Leah.
Hi.
We are going to go to the water park today. The thing from last night, like Cedar Point had this 150th anniversary parade, and oh my God, it was so much fun. I'm not even like into that stuff, but this parade was so lit. But we're gonna go to the water park today. Talia did go on the stage. That was super cool.
Yeah, I got to do this.
Germany wouldn't go on the stage. Okay, I won't tell him.
I got to do this.
Let me see what you got to do.
So step out.
That's what you got to do? But you know, we'll check in throughout the day. I'm gonna be mad annoyed because it's so hot, but I did have to log into my MacBook this morning to handle some business, even though I said I was only gonna chill like on this little mini vacay, but you know, some things still gotta get done. But anyways, we'll be back. Alright, so we have been completely rained out all day at Cedar Point, man. I mean, haven't rode anything. We had to leave the water park early because it was too much rain. Like, they kicked us out the water park.
They didn't have cotton candy Dippin' Dots.
Say that again?
They didn't have cotton candy Dippin' Dots.
And Germany mad because it's her birthday, and they ain't got no cotton candy Dippin' Dots, so we about to call it a night.
And rain.
We got a couple other things to do, though.
And rain. We're going to dinner.
All right, this is how you kick off leaving Cedar Point. Sheesh! Hey, yeah. You see it. About to throw down. Whole squad about to smash. Hey. Happy birthday, girl.
Happy birthday!
Hey, good morning. Pro tip, find you a window with some type of curtain in front of it. It gives you that nice, soft, diffused, cinematic light. But anyways, it's the last day we here. It's early. The wife is over here making breakfast. Say hello even though I'm mad at her. Say hello. She over here making breakfast. One thing I hate about staying at Airbnbs is the trash coffee that they have. I'm about to drink another cup. I mean, this coffee is straight butt cheeks. But we have to go to Safari today. We also have to go to some ridiculous ghostly manor or whatever. And then, come on, dude.
You didn't wash that off?
You didn't wash your face.
Here she goes.
Anyways, to some ghostly manor, but to be honest,
you can do better.
It's been hard for me to not like check my email and check my YouTube analytics and all of that stuff, but I've been making myself back away until I get back. Tomorrow we get back to the grind, but I think that's very important. If you don't take nothing away from this vlog besides the fact that the ZV-1 is still dope in 2021, when you take a break, take a freaking break and stop worrying about work, because the work is gonna be there when you get back. So I'll bring y'all throughout some of this day, but hey, just, you know, do what I told you to do. I gotta get my car. So we at this African safari, and I'm not thrilled about this at all.
Is that a bison?
If this bull scratches up my vehicle, we gotta get out and throw hands. Like, I'm about to work with this bull if he scratches my car. I will wear that bull out. You hear me?
That is a bull. Hey, which one of y'all said y'all wanted to ride a bull? Was that you, Kenneth?
Let this bull scratch my car up. I don't care that it ain't no Lamborghini truck.
My God.
Listen, let my car get scratched up. Look at this turd in the middle of the street right here.
What is that?
You want some? You want some of that? And it's stinky. What?
Oh, Jesus Christ. Oh, it's aggressive. It's aggressive. It's aggressive. It's very, oh my God, he's eating the cup. Oh no.
Y'all gotta relax.
It's really close.
Bro, we about to throw hands, man.
It's a little hungry there.
Hey, my guy. You a real one. Bye.
No, there's a baby.
Yes.
Oh.
Hey, what's poppin', my guy?
ASMR be like.
Oh my God, your breath, my guy.
Here, dude.
Yo, I just dropped a mess out of my ZV-1, and right now shutter is all cranked, but they scared of the dragon over there. It's the last stop.
I'm not scared.
And I'm gonna be honest, I'm ready to go home. Ready to go to the house. But I'm so thankful my ZV-1 is not broke. Because it fell out of my... fell out of it because I forgot to zip it up. Because I was trying to put you... Come here. You. This is your fault. Because I was trying to put you on the ledge.
It's your fault that you didn't close it.
What is it? Ghostly Manor Thrill Center. It's like 90 degrees out here.
It will spray you with water.
Oh boy. What's up, y'all? Alright, we are back in town. It's actually the next day. I called off work today because they can't control me. Let me turn that on. Hold up. Let there be light. That's so dope. Hey, I'm in the process of like redoing this whole basement. First, I had the desk flipped this way, and the setup was so dope, but it was just in the way of everything. So anyways, I want to talk about real quick, now that I'm back, why I bought a ZV-1 and ultimately why I think you should film everything. So let's start with why I bought the ZV-1. Now, I've been using the ZV-E10 for like the last 2 months. Listen, there's a whole playlist right up there on things that I've talked about with the ZV-E10. I had to send that camera back to Sony, and you know what's crazy is when I first got the camera, I was so pumped to have an APS-C sensor that had all these vlog features that the ZV-1 has. And I was using it like my content creation camera. So I was, you know, it was on a tripod, stationary. I was sitting it on stuff to film XYZ. But when I finally started to use it as like a walk around camera, I was like, whoa, this rolling shutter is not the business. So although I love the ZV-E10, I think for the money is one of the best cameras you can buy as a content creator. As an actual vlog camera, I think it did not succeed, which is what I really wanted it for. Now, I still am probably going to get one, but neither here nor there. In the interim, now that I don't have that camera, the local Best Buy had this bad boy on sale, like I said earlier in this video, for 580 bucks, and we were going on a little family vacay, which you have seen. So I was like, you know what? I don't want to walk around with my A7S III or my A7 III. This is a good little pickup for now. So anyways, for me, I think the portability factor of this, being able to just like pull it out of, I bought this little cute pouch right here. I bought this, like being able to just have this thing slung around my shoulder, pull it out, bam, get the shot, put it back in the case. I mean, I know the image quality is not good like an APS-C sensor or a full frame sensor, but it's passable, you know what I'm saying? And for me, like being able to get the shot in those situations where you don't have your camera or you don't want to use your phone, because personally I'm not sold on phones for vlogging. I just don't think the quality for me is not good enough. This is where I think I'm going to be for my vlog stuff. Obviously, if I could use my bigger cameras, I'm going to use my bigger cameras, but in those situations where I can't or I don't want to, boom. So that's why I went ahead and copped this. Now look, I think that you should film everything, even if you don't have a purpose. Like I made this vlog not knowing where I was gonna go with it, what I was gonna talk about, but sometimes I think the story is finding the story. And also you gotta think, these memories you make, like you're gonna look back at 2 to 3 years like, I'm glad I made that vlog, or I'm glad I filmed XYZ. So part of me making vlogs, which y'all about to start seeing a lot more vlog stuff on this channel. Frankly, right now I'm just kind of sick of gear stuff, so expect more vlog type content. But I'm building a memory bank, you know what I'm saying? I'll be able to go back on YouTube in a couple years and see where my kids were at, see where I was at in the grind and all that stuff. Plus, it's always fun kind of discovering what the video is about during the content creation process. So anyways, I'm gonna let y'all get out of here. Thanks for watching if you made it this far, and till next time, peace, chick grease. I'm out, Terry Warfield. Peace.